We're going to be learning about the life cycle of an apple. I had shown you before about the apple seeds, and here is how they look when they're out of the apple. But when you open an apple, you will find the seeds inside the fruit. Once the seeds have found ground that they can grow into, a seedling will appear. This is a seedling. The seedling will need many months and sometimes many years for it to grow into a tree. The tree will then produce buds, and these buds, you will see them when you look out to fruiting trees or flowering trees during spring. Buds are closed up flowers. Once the flower opens, the tree is ready to reproduce, and the flowers open up to reveal the nectar. And then in the flower structure, you have what it needs to reproduce, the pollen on the stamens and the pistil, which connects the ovary to the outside so that pollen can reach the ovaries of the flower. So this is a flower. And finally, once pollen has reached the ovary, the flower will then fall off and the ovary begins to grow into a fruit. And this fruit has the eggs and the seeds inside it. And that is what makes a fruit. And the fruit will then produce seeds. And so we will see here that here we have some seeds, and then the seeds go off, and then they become seedlings. When they grow, after a long time, they become trees. The trees produce buds. The buds become flowers. The flowers get pollinated, and then they produce fruit. And the cycle continues because it goes on and on and on. That's why we call it a cycle, which means wheel or circle. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on the life cycle of an apple.